Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to edit PDF files with Lumin PDF online. So all you have to do is go to Lumin PDF website. Log into your account. Now click Upload or open a file from your device. In the editor toolbar, click Edit PDF. This option only appears if your file is a PDF. Make sure the select arrow tool is active and click on the next you want to edit. Now click the edit text, which is a pencil icon. You can change text, fix typos and replace words. On the right panel on the text format, you can change font, adjust size, color and styles. Lumin will try to match the original font automatically. Now click anywhere outside the text box, then click Done to exit the mode. After editing, you can download the PDF, print it, share it online. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.